In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero. This is a simple process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time and can significantly streamline how you manage your stock in Xero. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your Xero account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero homepage. Once there, enter your login details and sign in. After you've successfully signed in, you should find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central hub for managing all aspects of your accounts, giving you easy access to different features and settings. From the dashboard, locate the Business tab at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. In this list, you should see an option labeled Products and Services. Click on it to proceed. The Products and Services page is particularly useful as it provides a comprehensive overview of all products and services you currently manage within Xero, helping you keep tabs on your inventory with ease. Now, to add a new inventory item, look for a button titled New Item on this page. Clicking this will initiate the process of entering a new inventory item into the system. A form will pop up on your screen with several fields for you to complete. The first field you encounter is the code. This code acts as a unique identifier for your inventory item, so it's important to choose something logical that relates specifically to the product you're adding. Once you've decided on a suitable code, it's time to fill out the name of your item. This name is crucial, as it's the one that will appear on invoices and other documents. Make sure the name is clear and accurately describes the product to avoid any confusion down the line. Next, continue filling in any other necessary details for your inventory item. These could include a description, unit price, and tax settings. Each field is there to help you track and manage your inventory more effectively. So take a moment to ensure all information is entered correctly. Accurate entries will support efficient inventory management and ease in generating financial reports or invoices. Once you're confident that all the information you've entered is accurate, the final step is to save your new inventory item. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. Just like that, your new inventory item is added to Xero, ready for you to manage and utilize in your day-to-day accounting tasks. Congratulations, you've successfully added an inventory item in Xero. While the process may seem straightforward, it's a crucial part of maintaining an efficient inventory management system. As you become more familiar with Xero, these tasks will become second nature, boosting your productivity and enhancing your business's financial oversight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.